This is exactly how I was able to fix bad internet on my PS5. So what I did firstly is that I went to my PS5 and then I went into settings right here, as you can see. So go into settings and then scroll down until you can see network. So click on network, and then in here you're just going to click on settings right here and make sure that this one is of course turned on, and then you're going to click on set up internet connection. Now you're going to select the one that you're connected to right here, and you're going to click on this button right here, as you can see, and then click on advanced settings. And now on advanced settings, just scroll down in here and click on DNS settings, as you can see, and make sure that this one is set to manual instead. So the primary DNS should be 1.1.1.1, as you can see 4 times, and this one secondary DNS, set this one to 1.0.0.1, as you can see. And then don't forget to click on OK in the bottom right corner, and then it's going to say connecting to the access point and then connecting to the internet. So basically what this does is that it can actually fix a lot of issues with your network, just so you know, by doing this basically. And then in here you're going to do one more thing. You're going to scroll down and click on users and accounts. Then scroll down in here and click on other and click on restore licenses. Make sure to select every game that you have on your PS5 and click on restore. Then just wait a couple of seconds. Now you can go back into the game and try once again, and hopefully now it's going to work for you.